Hi everybody, good afternoon. I'm doing T3 this one is difficult. I myself got help for the second flag for the binary. That's to be honest, I didn't solve it myself. So the first flag and the last one, the root one, are you can do them, but that one I didn't. And then the card, this is the card, the T3. Let's start. So I'm more doing the first flag, the last flag, and then for the binary I will just give you the script. I got it from someone shared with me in TryHackMe room. I think it's similar to Jack's first, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And I asked Gemini to clean it, and Google AI. You can see how many AI I have here: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. So let's start for now. So the IP address of the machine, as is, of course, because Rust scan -a, the IP, we know it's blocked. That's why we need the password for the card. So I'm just doing, as I said, part of the room. I can't explain the binary story. It's too complex for me. I'm not in that level. So these all the write-ups, guys, you can check. So we have this port. It's always all the rooms. They have 21337. So you can go there. A room password. I have it here. So I can copy that. Now if I go there, password is correct, and then if I run again, yeah, that's the card there. So if I run, this is the binary, this is the firewall. So we have SSH and we have port 80. So we can no, where is the port 80? Here where the tricks are. I got a little bit confused when I got port 80 like that and said a form, and you get contact and you say, okay, my name j@local.com. I thought an XSS here or something, and you say name, whatever, send, contact, and it doesn't send. It's almost. And then of course you remember always when you do these things, do full take 5 minutes and just do sorry, do or enumeration, because that's the key part. User share word list, debust directory. So sometimes list, what list, directory list to medium, because sometimes we're stuck looking for things like that and we don't finish enumeration, and then we spend time running in circle. So if you do enumeration, you can stop this. You can see there's a backup folder directly. So we have a backup. So if I go to backup now, if I go to backup, I have ENC thing. So the first thing you can do, because you just save the whole thing, save link at, let's put them in the root, root command password. That's where the trick start. I got a little bit the first time I so the first one you can guess. The first thing I did a mistake when I of course you come here, you find secure password. If the secure password is docked, is all of them locked. So if I extract, it will ask for password. They don't have password, so we close. Of course, see, there's a recommended password. They give us recommended password. If I do recommend password, so you have all these passwords. You think that's exactly what you do, but that's what my mistake for me is. Sorry, my mistake is I forgot about that ENC things. Chmod plus x ENC. That ENC. No, this is a problem. I don't know why it's not running in this machine. Why is root ENC error loading shared library crypto S3 can't open shared object file, no such file directory. It doesn't work in this machine for whatever reason. I don't know why. uh, in my machine it worked fine. If I go here, oh, this is the T. Oh, this is the Wireshark. I was playing with the Wireshark room. It's not later on. Look at too much stuff I have here. This room, it killed me already. Let's clear the NC. I have it here. So if I do NC here, it tell you need a password, so you get an idea what exactly it was. So it's like it's hashing password. So the list of password is not the one we're supposed to use. Now where is that script? Now because now this I need to create a hash file, so I can't create really because it doesn't work in this room. Vim pass hash. This is what this one is supposed to create me a file. I'll share this. So it read the list of password, and then because this ANC we have problem with it, I don't think this one will work. Python 3.9. Let's see, pass the hash. So it works when you call it from Python. That's very strange. Let's see if it really works. I don't know. Basically we apply, we redefine the password that they gave us, and then we apply the NC to hash it. Let's see if really did it hash the password. It didn't hash them because it can't run. Okay, so this script doesn't run because whatever this ANC is complaining about library things. So the this attack box, I don't know what's the issue, but in my machine this thing worked fine, so the script will work fine. This is the script. Basically read the file, will share it, and maybe it would work in your computer. So basically it do that, and then we get the hashed password. This is the hash list password. Let's copy this hash password to what you have here. This is a L1. So which room are we busy with now? L3, cd L3. Let me copy this so we can play in the hash password.txt. Let me copy it to the machine. 1010. What's my IP? 7.221. 7.221. Let me copy this to root.txt. Copy to root. Yes, what's the password for the attack box? The attack box password is this one. I'm running a VPN through my machine. You can run these things on your computer. I don't know why that ANC doesn't work in is complaining about library crypto S3 while loading shared library. Can't open shared object file. No such file order. Because lib S3 is a bit, I'm not sure if it's old or let's ask Google. Maybe we just need to install it or something. This problem, I was using my machine, that's why I couldn't download the OpenSSL. Then no, I don't like to recompile libraries. No, that's this answer. I don't like this answer. How to fix can't open shared library? Is there better solution? OpenSSL, guys, you can run it. Probably the area code in my machine, so when I reinstall OpenSSL, I don't know, maybe if you use Kali or something it will work. So I assume that's the problem. Let's not waste too much time on it. So I have which computer is this? So I got the hash password, the recommend hash password. So No, that's not the hash password. Vim hash, the one I copied from my machine. So now we have a list of hash password. So the next thing is to get zip to Jean. I hope this one will work. My machine is different, but I'm always try to attack box, so in case, guys, secure zip and say hash.txt. Let's see if the hash work fine. So before this machine start, okay, he caught it. So you can do Jean the Ripper, and then how we call Jean the Ripper with I forgot word list. We can give it to it. Which one? Recommended the hash pass. Not this one. This one, the one I copied from my machine because we have that issue, and I just give it a hash.txt. Let's see if Jean can find it. Okay, found the password is same as I found it in my machine. That's the one I found in my machine. So 7b. So he was able to find it. So if I go this, now I go back to a secure folder. Say not open, extract. It will extract and then ask for password. We paste it there, and then show file. So let's see, show file. Let's close this, not too much window. Where's the secure? Where did he extract it? What the hell? Supposed to create a secure storage. So we the first flag is clear. So if you go see the secure clear ls. So we have these libraries. We have the source to a secure storage binary. Of course, head minus c5 foothold. That's your first flag. Then of course we can check. Oops, what the hell? We can go to Docker file. Because this is what is running in the machine that we suppose it running 1337. You can see is copying secure storage to the root. That's why you give us, and then we're looking for the user. That's our user.txt file, the flag. Using library 6, that's why you give us library 6. So we have library there. And then we have also this Linux, and then we have all of this. He's copying them all in the root directory. So if we can access and we do the binary, we can become and that's why my knowledge stop. Now I try too many things. I can see my folder here, to how many with too many leak, find, record, output, which it is extracted. Even with the Ghidra secure storage, how many Python scripts, and then I gave up. And then someone gave me a script. This is how I said I'm doing the last one, so you can check, guys, all the write-ups. So I can't lie to you about it. So the script I'm looking for, the script that that work, let's copy it. Where is it? It's a Python script. I did copy it now. Passage.py. Password nc. I didn't copy it. No, I was copying it just now. Pass hash secure storage. Okay, let's binary. Did you call it binary or not? Oh, binary. Vim. Copy that binary py to secure storage because you need to be there. and cd storage vim binary. This is the script I got from someone. I think it's most people are using the same structure. This someone also shared with me. It's the same guy. Is a peacock room. It's almost similar, because even if you look down the script down here, it's almost the same structure for the library, and you can see the library in Linux. It's like it's almost the same room. I'm guessing, I might be wrong, but this guy, I couldn't read it. I'm not that advanced in this binary, but I will share the link in case someone, or guys, check another write-up. So I can't lie to you, tell you I can explain to you all of this. I'm not. So the IP in this machine, so if I go to the script and just get this IP, this is script token, and then I gave it to Gemini, Google AI, and I asked him to update it and to clean it. So that's the final version of the script. So let me remove that HTTP. So basically that's the, so you run it in the same folder. That's it has this and it has that one. Interacting with the binary, because remember now in the way this binary work, because if I go now NC and then 10, what's that IP again, 10.10.109.252, and then you interact with 7. You say this is how the binary start working with you. So it tell you create a if I press 1, enter print index is 1, enter the size if I 10, enter data, for example just 12, and then you can do read, you can enter 1. I play around it many times, this script, and I couldn't really figure out. That's why I said the peacock one is almost the same thing. So it has interaction on all of that. So I can't tell you, as I said, there's too many scripts I try here. All of them, it's even XII. This one is the one for Grook. This XII Grook. It's also tried to help me to solve it, and it's too much stories in this one. I got even gave up on it. So, as a conclusion, this is the script that basically will do the whole things and leak the library and do the heap whatever. So if I run this script, for example, now, let me clear it now, and I say Python. Now before we run it, because this script need because remember is you need the pawn, and then attack boxes always have an issue. So what we do is let's run environment so we don't have a problem with the libraries and running around. And so create an environment for yourself where you work, so you don't need to have issue with permission and all of that. So that's why sometimes attack box it confuse me with too much problems. Then we can install it and date, so we can know it's working so without any problems. So let's do that, because this one it don't have library issue and path and all of that, so we clear on that. So now we have our own environment to work on. Ironically enough, many people will tell you in the Discord, this script, if you run it, for example, if I run it from my computer, it will not work. Where is it? It will not work. Ironically enough, it only works if you apply it from the attack box. So we have all the stuff we need inside the folder where my Python script exists. So if I go now Python and do 3.9, because I'm 3.9 in this, and do the binary, now automatically I get the shell. This is an update version of Gemini, so it doesn't have that debug and printing and all of that. So I'm already root and then you can see head minus c10 user.txt. So you have you already root now. You already root because we are inside. You can guess because host name. You can see that host name. It's already you are inside. God, etc hosts. What's wrong with me? etc hosts. So we are inside the container. So you can see it's a container. So it doesn't have clear. So let me put that. So let me stop this too much white my eyes. So now the next thing to do is how to be a root. If you know in a container you think you're doing and I spent left and right because you can do mount and you look for any. You can see this is interesting, the nvm, but we'll come back later on to this. Where is that one? Remember, before you jump around, there's a nice article. Where is it? This one. That's how I was looking, and this guy is start. I will put a link for this one. He says like before you jump in, and yeah, you can check your kernel version, the proc whatever. Cat proc cmd line. I didn't test this one. Let's test it. Cat proc cmd line. What we have there? Root. Okay, what's interesting about that? This commit pseudo file in proc files and tell us the kernel boot image and the root UID. This UID is mounted as the host root hard drive. The next step is locating the device behind the UID. I didn't know this. Let's try this one because I jumped maybe the steps when I was playing. Sometimes when you do where's the UID in our case? Where is it? Path, root path. Why this one it showed the whole UID and mine didn't? Path UID equal. Okay, let's try look for it if it does work. I didn't find it. Why it say path UID, not the same as here? Cat proc cmd line, it gives the generic root UID equal. Maybe that's raw console. It said path UID only. Any case, let's go there. This one didn't work for us. And then one interesting part is before we jump, because when you are in what's that one? That command. I think that's what it's called. No, not cops. What the hell? I'm still in a container. What's the command in Linux that damn it, whenever I start I forgot about that. No, this one will solve our problem. I just want what's that? C accept dash print the permission of the. I forgot the command to get the permission of the. I think it's safe. Why I make the live videos always I forgot. Container capability dash print or cops or safs. I forgot what's the name of the command. Oh, cap ca. What's wrong with me? caph dash print. Here's where the trick part is. This container has very high level of permission. The permission is, where is that admin things? I can't see now. Cap it has a lot of permission. This one, it has the admin. So basically it's almost like the floodgates are open here. That's I remember when I give it to ChatGPT, just say it's everything is open here. Especially this one, you can see the capnet admin. Now, of course, now if I go to lsdev, for example, very interesting one is, where is it? The root. We have a root there, and if you look very well to that function, what's the name of that function? We don't need to jump. The function is deb. This one, deb ufg. He said there is one more to do before we decide our next step, and that is to use deb debug fs is an interactive file system debugger for x234 file system. It can read and write, and that's what I did when I saw this one. I said debug fs, and I have a root there, so I can just go there. Suddenly now I'm outside. If I say id, oh, why it doesn't, who am I? It doesn't it say ls, and then where is our root? If I go see, I don't think it does. And then we are inside the root. You can see our root flag. If I do head -c10 root.txt, oh, doesn't there's no head. Guys, I can't show the flag, but that's how I think cat command will work. I don't know why head doesn't work. Let's do ls -la. Not all the command working. Very funny. What's the problem with head? It has ls. Yeah, this is what we found. The cat will work, guys. You can use your cat. I can't show the flag because I will submit these things, but basically that's how you. So ls -la doesn't work. ls -la really doesn't give me any. So only a few commands work, like ls. Can I copy it to the machine? Not really, but that's it. You just do cat root.txt and you get the flag for that. I thought we can play around. I didn't know this. Any case, guys, so ls.ssh does work. Yeah, we have authorized keys, so we can also maybe get the root directly. I didn't explore that option, but any case. So guys, sorry, that's it. As I said, the first flag is you get it through it's in this folder. You just get the first flag here. The second one, as I told you, I got lost myself. The second one, as I said, you have that. I will share that in the room description for that binary, the vim binary file. This one gives you straight the shell that we are here, and then the root, because we have very enormous permission in where is that? The permission is very high in this in this container. So well, what happened to my permission? The permission is too high in this container. So basically, and then there is the command is exist, as I said, this link. So you don't need to go down and do the kernel. Some user did the kernel or something, you don't need it. And because the root is already there, so you can guess directly that. Okay guys, thank you very much and hope you like it, and you can check all the write-up if you want to understand more about the binary. I'm not really that good on it. Thank you very much and have a good day.